Good morning, everybody. It's Nvidia versus Fed. Yesterday, FOMC came in. Before that, let me tell you something. In the market, that when the market goes up, it just keeps going up, and then it goes into the consolidation, and it just it's not going down, it's not going up. Dips getting bought. In this situation, always be careful because institute and big boys they have program for sell off, and they suddenly when market is just in a very calm mood, suddenly no news, they drop it, and then when you see the first one, it usually happened few more times, which happened yesterday. And then yesterday we got FOMC, and FOMC was actually very bearish. They said longer rate, and it was very bearish. That's why market was dumping into the close. But as Nvidia earning was very good, and it's Nvidia versus Fed. Nvidia is lifting up the market, and if you remember last 6 months, even though sometimes market was bearish, market was very weak. Nvidia was kept going higher. So Nvidia went higher, semis went higher, and the rest of the market lifted up and went higher, and that's what we are right now. And yeah, so 5500 is not too far away on the ES. Some people kept saying 6000 SPX may come this year. I mean, it's not an impossible dream. So anyhow, market looking very bullish pre-market. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, and a lot of names are up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. Daily is upward. We got dark blue bar yesterday, but this jump up making a light blue bar again. And the weekly MACD is near golden cross. If the weekly MACD golden crosses next week, we can go up. I still think next week is a short week, and usually during short week we get a dump, and market feels like crashing, and then by end of the week we go up crazy. But so far direction is up. Let's see what else. NQ, so NQ much stronger because it has most of the text. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, everything is upward, and the weekly MACD is curved up near golden cross, making a new all-time high, 19,000. Good morning, Amnon. Dow Jones 4 hour we start getting yellow bar, not golden cross yet. RUT, RTY. Yesterday was very weak because of the FOMC, but it's tagging along and coming up. We got a yellow bar on the 4 hour. MACD is curving up. It was actually red, but right now it's recovering and becoming green. DXY, but the focus today is semis. Just keep that in mind. DXY. We got yellow bar today, yesterday, but then again red today. Pre-market right now, 30 and 1 hour is downward. Just up and down for now. But as long as below 104,798, it's good to stay there. Otherwise, if it goes above it, not gonna be good. 10-year. Good morning, Manny. 10-year. Nothing is special this morning. If the 4 hour dead crosses and goes lower, it's gonna be good for small caps. Wick 6% lower. So this one 1135. I think 52 weeks low. Let me double check this. 52 weeks low on the Wix is 1178. So actually right now is making a new 52 weeks low. 1135 is the next key. Goes below that, market can get even more squeezy, but just keep in mind the lower the VIX goes, the lower the volatility and the smaller the movement. So below 1135, market can get a squeezy. Next targets are at 1082, 1028, and 962. Pre-market 4 hours dead cross, and we'll see what's gonna happen. VIX is a direction setter too. SPX new all-time high. Let me fix this one. So right now, ES is opening how many points up? Sorry, my computer is slow. 39 points up. So SPX, we're looking at 53.50 probably. So 53.56, that's the next major level. Past that one, next major is 54.09. Let me just draw this one here. Do 53, 56, 16, then 54.09, 99. Apparently this is the wrong week speaks. I don't know why on the 1 minute is always different. Let me check this. 1 min, 1 day. Okay, here we go. 53, 56, 16, 5409, 99. Yeah, so 53, 56, we passed that one. We're looking at 53, 68, 53, 89, and 5409. And those are the next major level. Most likely 53, 56 is going to pass today. BTC still up and down for now. Getting a dark, light blue bar on the weekly. Once the weekly MACD golden cross can go for another big run up, 74k. That's the all-time high to watch. But ETH another 5% higher. This is going crazy. Seems like the ETF is gonna get approved, so 4,000 passes is gonna get interesting. Maybe all-time high comes there too. Apple pre-market yesterday showed weakness. I didn't see any news, but it showed weakness. And but pre-market right now 15:30 1 hour is upward. So watch 191.7. Past that one, we're looking at 192, 193, and 194. Amazon. It had a jump up at open, but then again was weak into the close yesterday. But pre-market right now, 30 and 1 hour is upward bullish. So watch 185.35. If you can't pass that one, we're looking at 186 and 188.65. But keep in mind, daily and weekly are downward there. Nvidia monster, what a monster. This one, 1070 is the next major level. So 1010. They have a split, so most likely I think by a split time 1100 should come. My next target is 1129. So here's the thing about Nvidia can be going on for a few days. This is what happened last earning. So last earning it jumped up, then it went up for a few days, then the 4 hour dead crosses, it went lower, and then it went for a bigger run up for like 2-3 weeks. It went up to 970. So that's the case for Nvidia to watch. Nvidia can be going up for a few days, it's possible, but then maybe maximum 10 days it can have a pullback. I'm just saying a possible scenario that happened last time. It could happen again today, this time. So if it continues going up, 1024 is the next key level to watch. 1024 passes, we're looking at 1047, 1070. Above 1070, next major level is 1129. Until the 1 hour and 4 hour is not dead cross, it can continue going up. Pre-market right now 30 and 15 is already pointing down, but we'll see. So watch 1024 pass, 1047, 1070 maybe comes by Friday. And next long target is 1129. Above that we are looking at 1214, 1322, my next super major level. And those are the very, very long target, 2140. Anyhow, AVGO running up on the Nvidia. 1437 next key level, past 1467, 1497. Very bullish on 30 and 1 hour. 4 hour is near golden cross. We're getting a light blue bar. Coin BTC not much effect, but ETH 5% higher, so we're pushing it higher. 237. If it passes, we're looking at 241. Above 241 can get a squeezy and go to 243, 245, and 248. Netflix catching up a little bit, still not strong as other names, only 2-3 points higher. 643 if it passes, 646, 649. If 641 can hold it, back to 636 and lower level 631, 628. Meta big jump up there too. They are big buyers of Nvidia. So 474 pass, 477. 4 hour MACD is finally golden cross, and is actually golden cross yesterday. And 477 is a key level to watch. If 477 pass, we're looking at 481, 484, and 487. Tesla, Panasonic had a news yesterday that the EV battery is slowing down, so it was hurting it a lot and pushing it down. And but it's recovering 1-2 points right now. As long as it holds 181 is okay. But if 181 can't hold it, again back to 178 and 177. Need to get above 183.35 before running up again to 184, 186, 189. 30 is upward, but you're getting a dark blue bar. 1 hour MACD is near golden cross. 4 hour was that cross, but because of this bounce up, right now it's diverting up. So we'll see what's gonna happen, but focus better on semis today than other names. Microsoft new all-time high pre-market. 435 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 439. If it goes crazy this week, 444. Next long target is 451. If 432 can hold it, back to lower level. Pre-market at 31 hours upward, 4 hours upward, so does have a chance to get to 440 this week. Google. Google, every time it makes a new all-time high, it pulls back. So that's the case there. But if it continues going higher, right now 1531 hours upward. If it continues going higher, 178, 180, 181. But keep in mind, if 176.48 can hold it, back to retest lower level. AMD running up 6 points higher. And this one next target is 172.28, 173.62. If 173 breaks, next major is 176.45. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so it can get interesting again. SMCI 50 points higher. It's all about 928. This is a very major level. Past that one, we're looking at 936, 948, and 960. 31 hours upward, 4 hour we're getting a light blue bar. So once the 4 hour MACD golden cross confirms, it can go crazy. If 960 passes, it can go 980, 996, and 1012. SPY new all-time high. Next major level there is 534. 534.34. If it passed that one, 536, 538, and 539. QQQ new all-time high there too. So this one, 458 was my target, but right now it's going above that. And let me see, I don't have another level on top. Wow, is 458 my last level? Seems like it. Yep, 458. It was a very, very major level. So 458, 98, 730, 43. God knows how many years it's gonna take to get to 730. 458, 98, 523.04. Yeah, if you don't know my method is I draw Fibonacci between Fibonacci. So that's what I do, but it's really important the first 2 points you choose. So next key level there is 462.55. Past that one, we're looking at 464, 466, and 468. SMH making a new all-time high there. This one, 450, 256 is the next key level. 235.95, 256.31. New levels. So this one, 248, 251, and 256 is next major there. What else you got here? FSLR craziness. This one is just monster. But right now, pre-market 1531 hours downward. It's still very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. Watch 251.61, and yesterday high was 254. If it passes that one, we're looking at 261, 267 next major. If it gets crazy, all-time high is 317. So these are the higher level. If it goes crazier again for another 10-20%, who knows? Maybe it gets to all-time high this week. ARM is all about 117.33. If it passes that one, we're looking at 118, 119, and 121.28. Snow, it went as high as 184, but then it pulled back. Right now, pre-market is still 1 hour and 4 hour upward. It's all about 173. Past that one, we're looking at 179 and 185.49 next major. What else you got here? mRNA. this flu that they're talking about, it caused it to go up crazy. But just keep in mind, once the news cool down, this one can dump very big. But if it continues going higher, 165, 170, and 174, next major level. ENPH kind of tagged along on FSLR, continues higher, 124, 128 next major, above that 134 and 141. What else you got here? Um, LRCX making almost new all-time high, not there yet. 1007 is all-time high. So 996 pass, 1013 is the next major. And if it goes above 1013, it can get really interesting. That's pretty much it. Dell. Snow I did, FSLR I did, Dell 158.77. That's a major level that is reaching right now. Passes that one, 170.26 next key level. So 158.77, 170.26. So yeah, once if 158 passes, 161, 165, and 170. Those are the next key level. Direction is up. Everything looks up. But keep in mind, we are a lot up. So as always, there is possibility some profit locking at open. Maybe 5-10 minutes profit locking. There is already a little bit of weakness pre-market happening right now. It's still 30 minutes to go. So need to wait first 5-10 minutes, see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna be a big down run, or is it just gonna be a small profit locking and then run up crazy or higher again? Just keep that in mind. And anytime you see any name that is very bullish, 1530 MACD dead cross, direction changes, can go lower. If the 15 dead cross, can go consolidation. If 30 MACD dead cross, can go direction change and go lower. But right now everything looking bullish, and market is showing that it wants to go higher. But at the same time, the problem of FOMC is still there. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.